Do you want a surefire copywriting secret for writing a persuasive website? If you do, the tip is this: support every claim you make with proof. Maybe you really are the leading provider in your industry, but that's meaningless if every competitor you have also claims to be the leading provider in your industry. What you need to get over that is a way to prove your preeminence. With proof of your claims, your credibility soars. Proof comes in dozens of forms. Taleist has a list of more than 40 different types of proof we go through with clients as part of our research. The types of proof we're looking for in those conversations include things like test results, accreditations, trust seals, high-profile clients, media mentions, awards. We also look at several different types of social proof. In fact, the list goes on and on. And often in that conversation, the client will say, no, we don't have those things as we work through the list. But then we'll hit gold. We'll hit something guaranteed to make our client shine brighter than the competition. And even though it's that powerful, it's something the client has never thought to mention on their website before. Now they're not just making claims, they're proving their claims. So their credibility goes up. And when your credibility goes up, so does your conversion rate. This is just one of 7 tips for things anyone can do to increase their conversion rate without any technical skills. You can get all 7 tips from Taleist.agency/7things.